Chapter 13, Number 3. If you dribble a basketball with a frequency of 1.9 hertz, how much time does it take for you to complete 12 dribbles? So we'll go back to the definition of frequency, which is the number of cycles in the amount of time. So here we'll say that the frequency of 1.9 hertz, that's frequency, and we want 12 dribbles, which is the number of cycles here. And we are looking for how much time, which I'll call like t. Really, I guess a delta t. So we end up with that we have 1.9 hertz equals 12 dribbles over the time that we're looking for. And we just cross multiply. So we say delta t is 12 over 1.9 hertz. So 12 over 1.9, 6.3157, 1 over hertz. But 1 over hertz is a second. So putting in that and putting in the correct number of sig figs, which turn out to be, as we can see, 2, we have 6.3 seconds.